Top 5 3D printing materials. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Sunlu 1.75mm PLA plus 3D filament. Specifications. Brand name, Sunlu. Diameter, 1.75mm 3D filament. Printing temperature, 210 to 235 C. Filament net weight, 1 kg with spool. Filament gross weight, 1.3 kilograms. The item number 2 is 3D filament dryer S1 Fila dryer printing material. Specifications. Brand name, Sunlu. Product size, 271 by 100 by 237 mm. Maximum capacity, 210 by 85 mm. Net weight, 980 grams. Maximum working power, 48 watts. As the item number 3 we've selected, Top Seal High Quality Silk PLA 3D Printer Filament. Specifications. Brand name, Northcube. Size, 343 meters. Model number, PLA_silk-like_1.75mm_1 kg. Filament diameter, 1.75 millimeters. Print temperature, 190 to 220 degrees Celsius. Print speed, 20 to 50 millimeters per second. The item number 4 is Sunlu PLA plus 3D printer filament PLA. Specifications. Brand name, Sunlu. Size, 335 meters. Model number, PLA/silk/PLA plus. Bubble, 100% no bubble. Print temp, 190 to 220 degrees Celsius. Diameter, 1.75 millimeters. And finally the item number 5 in our list is, Top Seal Flexible TPU Filament 1.75 millimeters. Specifications. Brand name, Northcube. Size, 343 meters. Filament diameter, 1.75 millimeters. Print temperature, 200 to 230 degrees Celsius. Heat bed temperature, 75 to 85 degrees Celsius.